How to get off Doordash waitlist. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get off Doordash waitlist. Now, the first thing you have to do is understand why you're on the waitlist. Usually, Doordash places applicants on the waitlist when there are too many dashers in your area relative to demand. Now, you want to check for the updates. Make sure that you regularly log into the DoorDash Dasher app or the website to check for updates on your application status. Now, to increase your chances of approval, you want to be flexible with your location. You want to complete your profile and also check peak times. If even after doing all of this, you are still not off the DoorDash waitlist, then you can reach out to the support. If you have access to the Dasher app, then you can contact support from here. If not, then you can open up any web browser. Then search for Dasher customer service. Now here tap on Dasher support. Now, if you have access to your Dasher app, you can chat using the Dasher application. Here you can simply inquire about your application status and whether any additional steps are needed. If not, you can also dial the number over here and directly speak with a customer service representative to inquire about your application status of the DoorDash waitlist. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.